Manichu. My name is Pius Ugebio. I am no longer an aspirant or a candidate. I stand before you now, saying that we have been in the training wing. The match is starting today. Thank you so much.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, gallant intellectuals, we are going to the position of position of guild president. Okay? This position had 5 candidates, and we consider the one best candidate. We had Fahad Aziz, who attained 226 votes. We had Okot Fred Kidega, who attained 1,131. We had Okwi Dickens, who attained 214 votes. We had Tumusime Emmanuel Treasure, who attained 684 votes. And we had Oneju Pius. We had Oneju Pius, who attained 1,294 votes. For emphasis, I'm reading them. 1,294 votes. Honorable Oneju Pius. Let's wait. So, this position we consider one candidate who attains the highest number of votes. With the powers vested on me, I, Tumusime, the returning officer of 2026 hereby declare Oneju Pius as the guild president-elect for the
20. And when a lot of propagandas printed on us, we stood for progress. Are we the going? Reformers are we? Reform!
Thank you. We wish you a nice celebration.
Fuck you, AI, fuck you, AI, fuck you.